This tutorial will show you how to create a new form from scratch in Form Wizard. Click on the Form Wizard icon in your BlueVoda toolbar. In this tutorial, we will create a new form from scratch. At this point, go ahead and add whatever form elements you wish to display in the form. Let's take a look at the various elements. An edit box or text box provides a single-line text field. The label is what will be displayed next to the element in the form. A checkbox allows you to let the visitor check off the selection if they wish. A combo box will display a drop-down menu allowing the visitor to make a selection. Note that we will further configure this element once the form has been created. You can add a file upload utility, allowing visitors to upload files to your site. Hidden fields are used to perform tasks behind the scene, not visible to visitors. Use this only if you have advanced knowledge of HTML and form creation. Radio buttons allow the visitor to make one selection from a list of options. Text area is similar to Edit Box, but is multi-lined, allowing for more text entry. Important: when creating a form manually, do not forget to add a Submit button. Otherwise, the visitor will have no way to submit. Optionally, you can add a Reset button, which will allow visitors to clear any data they have added to the form and start over. You can highlight any element and move it up or down in the form, or remove it altogether. You can also edit the label for any element. Give the new form a name. The name is not case sensitive. Ensure that you do not add any spaces in the name. The default setting will typically be the one you wish to use, unless you have other specific requirements. Enter the email address where you wish to receive form submissions. Enter the text you wish displayed in the subject line of the email notification. In most cases, you will be able to use application/x-www-form-URL encoded, which is sufficient for almost any kind of form data. The one exception is if you want to do file uploads. In that case, you should use multipart/form-data. Since we have a file upload element in our form, we will select this option. Specify a success and failure page where the visitor will be sent after completing the form. Note that these pages are not automatically created. You will have to create them yourself. Drag and drop the form to where you want it on your page. You will now need to double-click certain elements to further configure them. For example, a combo box. Give the element a name, or optionally, just leave the default name. Now add selectable options to the drop-down combo box. We'll make this one selected, so that it is selected by default in the form. Remember to save the page when you are done. It will be saved as a BVP file. However, unlike other regular site pages that are published as HTML, any page containing a form will be published as a PHP. Publish the page to set it live on your site. Let's now open the site in a browser to test the form. Perfect! As you can see, the form has been successfully submitted, and the visitor has been redirected to the success page. You are now able to create a new form from scratch in Form Wizard.